gives you the four lenses that I would pick under $1,200, and I'm gonna start off with the Canon 14-35mm. This is the Series L with I4 aperture, and this one is absolutely amazing. It is perfect for landscapes, it is perfect for architecture, it is perfect for a big angle wide zoom lenses, and being the Series L from Canon, this one is really amazing, and it's a great value for what you're paying. Next up, we move on to the Sony, and in terms of Sony, we got the FE 1.4 aperture 35mm GM series. Again, this is a 35mm fixed, which is absolutely great for everything that goes into a natural, more or less, field of view for your eyes. But if you go towards what could be then the portrait, I would move on to the Nikon. This is the Nikon 85mm 1.8S, and this is absolutely amazing for anything that it is portrait with a 1.8 as well aperture. You can see the bokeh in the back. This is shot with a 1.4, so more or less we have that nice little blurry, which it is really good. And then we move on to Fuji. For Fujifilm, we have this one. This is the XF Zoom 1680mm with a, believe it is a 4 aperture, correct? And this is amazing for all the Fujifilm, and this is potentially the cheaper one in the spectrum. But in terms of these 4 that I just showed you, which one do you like the most? I personally love Canon. I personally love the 14-35mm from Canon, or also the Sony, the fixed 35mm. These are my 2 preferred ones, but nonetheless, I love them all.